Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to add a shared calendar to your Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To add a shared calendar, you usually get an invitation email from the person shared with you. Open the Mail app on your email on your phone and find that invitation email. Tap the Add this calendar or accept link in the email. This will add the shared calendar to your Google account. Go back to the Google Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the menu in the top left corner. Scroll down to see all your calendar. Look for the shared calendar's name under Other Calendar or My Calendar. Make sure there is a check mark next to it. This means it's visible. Now you can see all events from the shared calendar in your app. You can also create or edit events if the owner gave you permission. And that's it. That's how you add a shared calendar on Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.